Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have studied about the chapter probability, and we have seen what is probability and some basic definitions related to the probability we have seen. And after that, we have solved some questions of your NCERT book of exercise 16.1. Okay. Now today we will see some questions of that exercise which are remaining. Let's see one by one. So our next question is suppose three bulbs are selected at random from a lot and each bulb is tested and classified as defective or non-defective. Write the sample space for the experiment. So we have given in this question, this is the question number 11, okay? And in this question, it says that we have a lot of bulbs, and in a lot of these bulbs, some are defective, and some are non-defective. Okay, some are defective and some are non-defective. So we are selecting three bulbs from these a lot of bulbs. So we have to find out the sample space. How can these bulbs will be selected, because the defective and non-defective bulbs are mixed together. Okay, so the defective and non-defective bulbs are mixed together. So we have to selecting three bulbs. So what will be the sample space of these? So it will be what? D means all the three bulbs are defective. N means all the three bulbs are non-defective. Now it will be D and D and D N. And D N. Okay. And D. N D 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and last will be D N is okay, and D N. So these are the sample space of selecting three bulbs. These are showing what? The selecting all three bulbs will be what? Defective. This shows that defective. This shows that the first two bulbs are defective, but the third bulb is non-defective. This shows that first and third are defective, and this is non-defective. This shows that first and third are non-defective, and the second is defective. So this shows that non-defective and these two are defective. Okay, and this is non-defective, and defective, and the last is defective, non-defective and non-defective. So in this way we can find out our three bulbs which may be defective, either non-defective. So we can select by, so the all possibility of selecting these three bulbs from a lot of bulbs will be this. Okay, I hope you understand. Now we will see question number 12. Question number 12 is, a coin is tossed. If the outcome comes is head. A coin is tossed, and if the outcome is head, a die is thrown. Then a die is thrown. If the die shows up an even number. Die is thrown, and if the die shows an even number, If the die shows an even number, the die is thrown again. Then die again thrown. Then the die again thrown. So what is the sample space for this experiment? Okay, so the question says that if a coin is, the question says that a coin is taken and tossed. When the head is come, then a die is thrown. Okay, if the head is come, then a die is thrown. And when a die is thrown, if the even number come, so the possibility of a when we roll a die, the possibility is either it will be even number, either it will be odd number. If the odd number, then 1, 3, 5 is there. If it is even number, then it will be 2, 4 or 6. Then it is says that if it is an even number, then again a die thrown. So what will be the total number of sample space? So the total number of sample space will be, first, this is T, okay, block. If head is come, then a die thrown. If head is come, then a die thrown. And after throwing a die, we are getting on an odd number. So H1, H3, H5. Then nothing to do. Okay, but if it is come even number 2, so again throw a die. H2, 2, H2, 3, H2, 4, H2, 5, H2, 6, H4, 1, H4, 2, H4, 3, H4, 4, H4, 5, H4, 6, H6, 1, H6, 2, H6, 3, H6, 4, H6, 5, H6, 6. So the total number of outcome will, so the all possibility will be this, because the question says that if a coin is tossed and if outcome is a head, then we thrown a die, and in that case, if the die is showing even number, then we roll again a die. If the die is an odd number, so it will be nothing to we have to do. Okay, so if this is 10 will be, and if odd number is, so H1, H3, H5 will be, because the possibility of coming this also, so it will lie in the sample space. So after coming ahead, when we are rolling a die, if our even number come, means after H we are getting even number 2, then roll a die again. So the possibility will be, it will be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6. Even number is 4, so it may be 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. And if it is 6, then H6, 1, H6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. The all possibility will be this. I hope you understand. Now we will see our next question. Question number 30. So next question is question number 30. The question says that the number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are written separately on the 4 slips of paper. The slips are then put in a box and mixed thoroughly. A person draws 2 slips from the box, one after the other, without replacement. Describe the sample space for the experiment. So the number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are written on the slips of paper. The slips are then put in a box and mixed thoroughly. A person draw 2 slips, then what will be the total number of possibility? So it may be what? So the possibility may be 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 2 1, 2, and it says that without replacement. Okay, so it cannot be the same number because replacement is not allowed. So we can say that 2 3, 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, and just. So the sample space will be this. We have to say that in this question that there are 4 slips and the 4 slips are written, the numbers are 1 2 3 and 4 and mixed thoroughly and put in a box. Then 2 slips are taken out. So what will be the sample space? So the number of the 2 slips may be 1 2, maybe 1 3, maybe 1 4. Okay. But 1 1 cannot be because 1 is written only one time. Okay. So 2 1, 2 3, 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3. These are the all possible outcomes which may be when we are taking 2 slips from a box. Okay. So that will be our sample space. Now next question. An experiment consists of rolling a die and then tossing a coin once. If the number on the die is even. So the question says that an experiment consists of rolling a die and then tossing a coin. If the number is even. So the even number when come? When even number is come means 2 4 6, then we toss a coin. If the number on the die is odd, then coin is tossed 2 times. Coin here is once, here tossed 2 times. So write the sample space for it. So we have to write the sample space for it. So look here. Question says that if a die is rolled and an odd number is coming. So after getting odd number, we are tossing a coin 2 times. So the possible outcome will be H H, H T, T H, T T. Okay. But if 2 4 6 come, then we toss once. So the outcome is what? H and T. So sample space will be what? 2H, 4H, 6H, 2T, 4T, 6T from here. And from here 1HH, 1 HT, 1 TH, 1 TT, 3 HH, 3 HT, 3 TH, 3 TT, 5 HH, 5 HT, 5 TH, 5 TT. Okay. So this will be our possible outcomes, because we have to given that if odd even number is come, then tossing a coin once time. If odd number is come, then tossing a coin 2 times. So when it is odd number, so it will be 1 HH, 1 ST, 1 TH, 1 TT. Similarly 3, similarly 5. And when it is even number, then toss once time coin. So we write 2H, 4H, 6H, 2T, 4T, 6T. Okay. So it will be our total number of outcomes. Now next question is our next question is question number 50. A coin is tossed if it is shows a tail. If it is shows a tail, we draw a ball from a box which contain 2 red. A box is there which contain 2 red and 2 black. If it is shows head, we throw a die. A coin is tossed, and if it shows a tail, we draw a ball from a box, then draw a ball from box which contain 2 red and 2 black, but 2 red and 3 black. If it is shows head, throw a die. If it is shows head, throw a die. So the sample space will be what? If it is a tail, so TR1, TR2, TB1, TB2, TB3. Okay, so this is sample space for when tail is showing, and when head is showing, it will be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Because after showing a head, he is again roll a die, and when he is roll a die, the possibility is either 1, either 2, either 3, either 4, either 5, either 6. The all possibility is there, so we can write all. If the tail is coming, so he is taking a ball from the box which contain 2 red and 3 black. So the possibility will be TR1 and TR2, first red, second red, and TB1, first black, second black, and third black. So the total number of sample space will be this. Now next question is question number 16. It says that a die is thrown repeatedly until 6 comes up. What is the sample space for it? Okay. So what is the sample space? So it says that if a die roll and it will be roll until we are not getting a 6. So the possible outcome is, first, suppose that we are rolling a die and getting in first time 6. So it will be 6. But if there is not 6, then what? Then roll again it. Then roll again. So when we are rolling again, so the possibility is 1, 6. Okay. And either it will be 2, 6, either it will be 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. Okay. Now if and we cannot take 6, 6, because if 6 is coming on first, then we will not roll die again. Okay. So again, if we are getting this, so in the third time when we are rolling a die, so if we are taking first not getting 6, second not getting 6, but third, maybe the possibility in third time we are getting 6, so it will be next. And first time not, again not. So it will be dot 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 dot. So the sample space, number of sample space will be infinite. We cannot define it. Okay. The possibility is that it will be so on in this way. Similarly, if we are getting at the first time 2 and second time 1 and then 6, maybe the possibility. So 2, 1, 6, 2, 2, 6, 2, 3, 6, it will be carry on so on. So the total number of outcome will be not dot dot dot. Okay. Now we will see our next exercise. Exercise 16.2. So 16.2, first question is, a die is rolled. Let E be the event. Die shows 4. Our event A is die shows 4. Okay. And F is the event. F be the event that die shows an even number. Die shows even number. R, E and F are mutually exclusive. E and F are mutually exclusive. We have to say that what this is this E and F are mutually exclusive or not. We have to explain about that. So our question is, a die is rolled and dice and our event E is what? So our die is rolled, then the possible outcomes are 6 outcomes. Okay. So the possibility of getting number are, these are the number. So event E says that die shows 4. It means that F shows that die shows an even number. It means 2, 4, 6 is taken. Now E intersection F is what? There is common 4 in both in event E and F. So we are getting that this is not equal to 5. Our E intersection is not equal to 5. And we know that E intersection F is 5. Then E and F are mutually exclusive events. Okay. Our condition for mutually exclusive event is this, that if the two events are said to be mutually exclusive, if there is no common. So E intersection F is 5. Then it says that mutually exclusive. But here we are seeing that the 4 is the common event. So E intersection F is not equal to 5. So E and F are not mutually exclusive in this case. In this case, our E and F are not mutually exclusive because we are saying that our E and F event have common number 4, which is lying between AE also and F also. Now we will see our next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is a die is thrown. A die is thrown means our sample space is this, and our first part is says that a is a number less than 6. So event A will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B says that a number greater than 7. A number greater than. So our event B will be what? A number greater than 7. So a number greater than 7 is what? This is nothing, this is empty set. And C is given a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means it will be 3 and 6. Okay. And fourth will be D, which is a number less than 4. Less than 4 means 1, 2, 3. And E is an even number greater than 4. So it will be 6, just even number greater than 4. And F is a number not less than 3. F is a number not less than 3. So not less than 3 is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to find out A union B. So A union B will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And second is A intersection B. So A and B. So A intersection B is what? This is A and this is B. So what is common in A and B? So this is 5. There is nothing common. And third is E union F. So E union F will be what? 3, 4, 5, 6. And next D intersection E. D intersection E. So what is common? 3. Just 3 is common. Now A minus C. So A minus C will be what? A and this is C. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So A minus C is A minus C. So leave 1, 2, 4, 5. This will be A minus C. Now we have to find D minus E. So D minus E is is what? There is nothing common. So it will be what? 1, 2, 3. This is D minus C. And last we have to find F dash. f dash is subtract from s. So it will be 1 2, just 3 4 5 6 not. So it will be 1 2. Now e intersection e is what? X. So we have to find last e intersection f dash. So e intersection f dash. So e is 6 and intersection f dash. So this and this we are taking. So there is something common. There is nothing common. So there will be what? 5. So it will be the answer. I hope you understand, students, all the answer of this question. Okay. So in this way we have solved these questions. Now we will see next question in the next class. Thank you.